Hi, dear all. Welcome to Eagle Education. Here, myself Ashok Kumar, the founder of Spectrum Education Society, and here we are dealing with IIT, NEET, as well all the entrance courses for class 6th to 12 kids. Here we are helping different schools as well localized centers in Hyderabad. And coming to today's topic, today's topic is, do you think these IIT or NEET or even civils kind of foundations needed for your kids in school level? If yes, now let's discuss on it. Basically, even being a teachers, we think that every kid need some special focus apart from their academics. Is it true? If true, let us discuss. If not true, let us discuss. Now, coming to the condition, if it is true, now the kids are facing, challenging education. Like how we are seeing majority of the kids in 10th grade or else even 12th grade, in their board exams, they are scoring 90%, above 90%, and even 100 on 100. But when it comes to the competitive exams, what is happening, we are seeing clearly in our day-to-day life. That maybe near to your neighbor or maybe your relatives' kids, you are seeing so many members that everyone is scoring good in their academics, but not that much in their competitive exams. Have you observed this? Why? Why such kind of scenario we are seeing? First, let us see. For the academics, for the board exams or else for the competitive exams, kids are seeing same syllabus. And the pattern what they are studying from class 1 to class 10 is a subjective pattern. Like kids are, being taught in a specific manner, teachers are teaching, and exams are being conducted by the school. We are seeing that they are scoring good marks, but all of such exams are based on theoretical, right? It may be a 2-mark question, or it may be a 5-mark question, or it may be a 10-mark question. So they are writing some or the other thing related to that, and they are scoring up to some extent, maybe 80%, 90% or 100% they are scoring. Fine. But when it comes to the competitive exam, why they are unable to score? Here, what is happening, maybe in the intermediate level or else maybe in the 11th, 12th level, what is happening? In their board exam, they are writing same subjective pattern what they experienced till 10th. So they are scoring up to 90, 95 or whatever, 100%. But when it comes to objective pattern, there they need to think and write. And that too, when you observe recent days, especially this JEE or NEET pattern, here what is happening? There is a negative marking also. Like when a student is able to choose one correct answer, if there is no negative marking, okay, they may score some extent, up to some extent. But whenever they introduced with a negative marking sort of exams, there what is happening? Simply when a student is doing some wrong answer, there instead of gaining 0, they are going some negative marks. They are scoring some negative marks. So such scenarios, if student is exposed from, like, let us discuss openly. Like here what is happening? Why to conduct such objective exam only after completing 12th? If we implement such exams in their curriculum from 6th class itself, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, all these exam pattern where they include such kind of negative pattern or negative mark pattern, then student is exposing such kind of exams also, and they may not feel very new or very a different pattern after completing 12th, right? So this is the reason why people like there are so many education sector, education institutes in the market where they are doing some foundation courses, isn't it? So that's the reason why here I strongly believe that whenever we are introducing such programs in schooling level, so here students are getting exposure to different style of questions first. Okay, what they are learning, how much they are scoring, whether they get rank or not. Let us not discuss all such points here. Now what we can say, a student is being exposed to different style of questions. When they expose it to different style of questions, right? Even after whenever they are appearing for the specific objective pattern exams, they won't feel such pressurized because they already habituated in such pattern for almost for some 5 to 6 years, isn't it? So this is the reason why I strongly believe that whenever we introduce such extra edge sort of programs in their curriculum, as children is getting exposure to different style of questions that might be useful for their academics whenever they are appearing, especially these objective sort of exams. So that's the reason why I am saying that these foundation classes are no doubt that is somehow helpful to the kid. Thank you.
Like and subscribe Eagle Media Works.